gonna meet a Vitz, that's where you're gonna meet one, you know what I'm saying?
Hey.
Give me a sip of that.
What?
Come on! My throat's dry as a motherfucker.
Why? Is your mother dry when you're...
What the fuck is that, huh?
Nothing.
Well, it didn't sound like nothing, all right? It didn't seem like nothing. I don't think that it was nothing.
I didn't mean nothing by it, old man.
Old man? Old man!
Fuck you, you creepy old motherfucker. That's right. I said it. Creepy. Old. Motherfucker!
No! Jesus.
Huh?
No, come on.
What?
Sorry.
Now, where
sorry.
were we
Come on,
exactly,
get up, dude.
huh?
Get up. We're sorry, man. We're sorry. Help! There's a guy with a gun!
You couldn't keep your mouth shut, could ya?
Fucking savage!
I try to be a good neighbor, and this is what I get!
Are you crazy?
Nobody talks about my mother!
Not now! You're dead! Holy fuck!
Am I creepy now? Am I? I'm taking out the trash, Sandy Shores! You want redneck? Oh! I'll give you redneck!